So to check if your switch is operating or not, you'll have to take off the bag and then remove these screws. The fan cover will come off, and then remove these screws, and this part will come off, and you'll have access to the switch. And in my case it was a switch. Then you can use a meter just to check if it's conducting when you press it. And the safety switch should work. So if you want the safety switch just on this other side here, you press that in, you can get to the switch to on position. Okay, yeah, the plastic on this model is not really strong, as we can see. I've had to do a repair here. The handle broke off. The screws, when I put it back, the screw holders broke, so I used some tape, and this cracked as well. I really wasn't putting much force on it, and it cracked, but I was managing to glue that. So yeah, but apart from that, I've been getting fairly good service, although this bearing over here, I had to rebuild the area on the wheel there, so I used some epoxy for that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do follow and share.